Yeah, Keegan and Megan, the governor says we are all fighting an enemy in COVID-19. And he says he used today's press conference as a wake up for us all to take this virus very seriously. Governor Tate Reeves' Tuesday press conference on the steps of the governor's mansion, his first since his 14-day self-quarantine after a trip to Spain. He says he's been updated by the White House Coronavirus Task Force and Mississippi's own health officials here and nationwide about the broader testing of COVID-19 cases. He says those positive with the virus are from people who were presenting symptoms before the majority of the social distancing orders were put into place. Reeves says the new information collected here and around the country this week will be very telling.
The new data that's coming in on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday that is being analyzed by the experts in Washington will give us a better idea if what we are doing now across the country is working.
Reeves signed a new executive order to underscore the seriousness of continuing to social distance. That includes no gatherings of 10 or more and some new rules that include no dining in any restaurant in the state, no visits to hospitals and nursing homes, and more direction to allow the state's employees to do their work from home. Reeves says it is critical to continue to follow all of these directives.
The reality is if you're sitting at home right now and you are concerned, what I would encourage you to do is to follow the guidance. Stay at home. Make sure that you are protecting your loved ones. If you have loved ones who are in that vulnerable category, if they are over 65, if they have compromised immune systems, figure out a way to go out for them and provide them groceries.
The governor says the majority of Mississippians are heeding the word. To the distancing orders, the governor said 1 week waiting period has been waived for those that are filing unemployment. He says he's waiting on the stimulus package that Congress is working on right now because the state's unemployment fund doesn't want that to get depleted by this scenario that we are still in. Reporting from home tonight, Troy Johnson, 16 WAPT News.